Hello, welcome to WPP Stars. My name is Nicolas Misera. I'm the chef of AIRRepublic, Cadzand in the Netherlands. Today I'm going to make preparation of turbot with the tartelettes of celery and black winter truffles. Okay, we start with the turbots. So, this is a nice piece. So we can grill them on the robata. So, put them in olive oil, pepper, salt, this. Yeah, I know. Anna. Okay, when the turbot is nice grilled, we put them in clarified butter, and then we finish them in the wooden oven. With the turbot we have a side dish. So we have a tart, feuilleté tart. We put some celery cream on. This. Then we have some truffle lemons. And then we put some nice celery rounds, like this. Just baked in butter with pepper salt, like this. This we put standby. It goes in the oven like for 2-3 minutes. Here in the Republic we work with a wooden oven, so it's go really fast. Okay, like the turbot in the oven, like 6-7 minutes. And every 2 minutes we put butter on top, so it bakes really nice and it don't dry out. Okay. Okay, now we can put the tart into the oven. The oven is really nice warm. It's like one or 2 minutes. This one is perfect. So this one we can put a little bit butter on top. And this one we can put already on the pot, so we can rest a little bit. Almost nice warm. So here in Republic, like, it's really central, it's the heart of the kitchen. We put like almost everything in the oven. This one is nice warm. Okay. Okay, so now we can start put on the plates. So here we have the nice baked, grilled and baked in butter tarbots. Finish with lemon zest. Tartelette and a twist of juice. And for the tarts, okay, so for the tarts, lime zest. And we can finish with the black winter truffle. Some truffle cream and some fresh chives. Okay, so this we can put already on a nice plate with a nice brown baking paper, like this, and the tarbots. Okay, here we have some nice herbs, some sweet and sour to make it fresh, a bit zest. Some salt. Some nice salad herb on the fish. Like this. And just to finish, we have Hollandaise with black truffle. Like for main courses here in AIRRepublic, we work lots like this, like everything on other plates, like nice side dishes. So here we can finish also with a little bit more black truffle. Okay, so here we have grilled tarbots on the robata with some Hollandaise of black truffle and the really tasty tartelettes of celery with truffle.